Alright, so this is the Cool Trains of Montreal, and I'm here at the Montreal, Vermont and Essex layout. This is the 1950s layout, and this is Windsor Station, as it looked in the 50s. Cool buses, streetcar tracks. They've got the slope. Everything faithfully reproduced, probably 3D printed walls, all from architectural plans. So this building is pretty much finished, the architectural model here. In the back they have a tower with the fire escape. And there's the concourse and the freight house building here with trucks, as it probably would have looked in the 50s, and very apropos, as on the 21st of December, the EXO will have their new, they'll have the new concourse for their trains up at Lucien-Lallier, and it's going to have a nice covered area like this does, with a concourse area and also covered platforms. Similar, but not quite like this. Beautifully done. With all Canadian Pacific trains sitting, waiting to go. Not quite finished the scene yet, but it's very well on its way. Love the lighting. So well done. They even have the powerhouse here. And they have the Canadian, I suppose, which at the time started in Montreal. And here's some of the future expansion in the Montreal area on this 1950s layout. This part is all new and was the last area, the last part of this 1950s layout to be scenic. This tunnel is in Westmount. Forget the name of the street, but it's near Vendôme. Again, you have schematics here. Very well done. And we have Glen Yard. Much more scenic than it was last time. We have some odd locomotives here. This is a BL2 in Boston and Maine, I think, or Maine Central. Boston and Maine, which did operate trains along jointly with Canadian Pacific in the US. And this is the steam servicing facility and a roundhouse with an array of steam locomotives. You hear one coming. Here it is, coming in behind the Roundhouse. All of this part is under construction in the Montreal suburbs around NDG, I guess, as it would have been in the 50s. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.